So Redtiger is now offering up to 6,000 rupee worth of discounts if you do purchase using the link given in the description straight up from the Redtiger website. And as an additional bonus, you can grab 2-year worth of warranty and also free memory cards. And not just that, you can also grab a combo of the dash camera and the Hardwire Kit at a discounted price. So all this comes together only if you purchase from the Redtiger website and not from Amazon, and you'll need to use the link given in the description below. Starting off with the most finest camera in the Redtiger stable, I'm talking about a dual channel setup. The Redtiger F77 currently has a 6,270 rupee discount, and the 128GB variant of this camera is now currently available at 24,830 rupees. And if you do purchase it with the Hardwire Kit, this is available at a price of 26,330 rupees. Now, if you do plan on purchasing the 256GB internal storage variant, you can grab it at a price of about close to 29,000 rupees. And if you do purchase it with the Hardwire Kit combo, you can grab it at a price of about 30,900 rupees after automatic discount of 6,000 plus bucks. So the F77 was the world's first camera to bring dual 4K dual star-2 IMX678 sensors within their dashcam setup and has been a trend-setting camera from Redtiger. And I would blindly recommend this camera simply because of its superior video quality and its app interface, its user interface, the touchscreen, the design, just everything works in the favor of this camera. That being said, moving on to the next best option from Redtiger, I'm talking about the Redtiger F17 Elite. To those who are looking for a triple channel setup along with the goodness of a star-2 sensor. So the F17 Elite offers you a dual star-2 setup, gives you more coverage by adding in a cabin camera, and also has one of the finest video qualities Redtiger can provide. So the F17 Elite now comes with a 4,267 rupee discount. And with this discount, the price comes down to about 24,000 rupees. And if you do purchase it with the Hardwire Kit, the price comes down to about 26,400 rupees. Now do note that you also get an additional 128GB free memory card if you do purchase using the link given in the description below. So both F77 and the F17 Elite are the most premium models from Redtiger, priced about 25,000. But if you're someone who prefers to buy something around the price bracket of 14 to 15,000 rupees, I think you should proceed with the Redtiger F17. So this has been a strong and a reliable performer from Redtiger, and I've made a very detailed video on this camera and I've personally used it for a long time, and it turned out to be quite a good dash camera in my personal experience. So Redtiger F17 is now currently available with a 2,191 rupee discount, and you can grab it at a price of about 14,400 rupees. And with the Hardwire Kit, you can grab it at a price of about 15,899 rupees. Now do note that you also get a 64GB free memory card if you do purchase using this link given in the description below. Moving on to the next best and the most hot selling camera in India right now, the Redtiger F7N Elite. It's currently out of stock at the time of making this video, but nevertheless I'll still provide you a link in the description, so just when it comes back in stock you can go ahead and buy it as well. So this is one of the most popular dash cameras which provides you a star-2 sensor, gives you an upscale 4K resolution, everything coming together under the price bracket of 15,000 rupees. So the F7 Elite currently gets a 4,000 rupee discount, which brings down the price close to about 14,800 rupees, and for the Hardwire Kit comes close to about 15 to 16,000 rupees. Now there are some other dashcam models in the Redtiger lineup as well, including the Redtiger F7NT, which also gets upgraded to a star-2 sensor with the in-car cabin camera, or should I say rear camera. You also have the F7NP, and you also have the Redtiger A6 triple channel dash cam. So multiple options out there, but these top 3 and 4 dash cameras are what I would personally recommend you to go ahead and buy right now. This Great Republic Day sale, Redtiger is offering the biggest discounts, so make sure to use the link given in the description. Go ahead and grab yourself a 2-year worth of warranty, get yourself a free memory card, get yourself a Hardwire Kit combo, all at the same time saving yourself a lot of money. If you do have any doubts about these cameras, just write that down in the comments. I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. And if this video has helped you out in saving yourself some money and grabbing yourself one of the best Redtiger dash cameras, go ahead, hit that subscribe button of my channel right now, smash that like button, and share this video with all your friends who are looking to grab dash cameras with big discounts in this Great Republic Day sale. See you in the next one.